Ooh, you like that, don't ya? Ooh. What is this? Oh! Ollie knows what this is, and he loves it. Ooh, does that feel good? Watch Ollie. He's gonna smack Lucas in the head. Oh, that feels so good, don't it, Lucas? Yeah, that feels so good. Watch him. He wants me to brush him. Look, Ollie. Ooh, Lucas likes this. Tozy, you want me to comb you? Hmm? Oh, that feels so good, don't it, Lucas? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ollie, hey. You brush it? Well, let me brush her. He was hitting him on the head earlier. Oh, that glare from that lamp. Well, I can't brush if you... Here, come here. Come down here. I can't brush you up there. That light's glaring. Come here. I can't reach you up there. Come on. I'll brush you. Come on. Ooh, I'm gonna brush him. Oh, he likes that. Let me try to brush him. Oh, does that feel good? Does that feel good, BB, huh? Oh, yeah, you like that, don't you? Tozy. Let me put Tozy over here. Tozy, oh, yeah, they love to get brushed, don't you? They get all lovey-dovey, huh? Look at Oliver. He says, wait a minute, you didn't finish brushing me. Okay. Does that feel good? You like that? You like being brushed? Ooh, wait a minute, my string's in the way. Ooh. Okay, here. Oh, they love being brushed, don't you? Come here, let me brush you. Oh, yeah. Feels so good, don't it, baby? Yeah, well, let me brush you. Here, Oliver, your turn. Will you let me brush you? Oh, it feels so good, don't it? Does that feel good? Oh, you like that, don't you? Watch. Somebody's jealous because I'm brushing them. Oh, you want to get brushed now? I already brushed you. It's their turn. Come here. They don't want to see your butt. Somebody's jealous. Well, come here. Come here. Somebody's jealous because I was brushing the cats. Here we go. Oh, Tozy loves it, don't you, Tozy? Yeah, Tozy loves it. Don't you, BB? Hey. Be nice. You'll get your turn. Oh, yeah. Oh, my babies love being brushed, huh? Okay, that's all for now.